So this is US dollar CAD analysis for Monday the 9th of October. I was about to say September day. So let's just go to the higher time frames first to get some perspective and get the scale on there correct. So what have we seen? Well, we're in a downtrend. Prices were coming down to near the 120 level, but quite a lot of buying has come back into the market to draw the market up. We did still have a bearish pin bar here, but we did travel counter to the trend by quite a bit. First indicator there was some bullish momentum was the previous month, the 8th, which was August. We pushed up, we subsequently sold down, sold back off, closing near the candle open, and this month here, the previous month being September, sold off quite a bit and was brought back up. Currently this candle's been formed this month. We're only 1 week in and it is bullish at the moment. So I'm going to go down to the weekly time frame. Down to the weekly time frame, we can see we've had 4 consecutive weeks of bullish price action, which is, I would say, you could say it's pretty much an indicator of a reversal in the trend somewhat. So we are in and around this 200 period moving average, currently trading above it. So we seem to have held it. Now, as you can see, we did appear to be in that downtrend, and yep, these 4 consecutive candles indicate a possible shift in momentum. Down to the daily chart, this is pretty much how I like to see my V-shaped reversals. Price is coming down, and yeah, there may not be a lot of consecutive candles, but the candles which are counter to a reversal, to the reversal in the trend, which is to the upside, are quite small in size. So they're quite small in size. They do have wicks indicating that they're more indecision candles, not much bearish momentum in the market, and ultimately shows bulls are in control. So as you can see here, we do appear in a pretty, we do appear to be climbing pretty. It's not overtly strong, but it's pretty strong. It's not like grinding price action that I saw on the Euro Japanese yen. So if I go down to the execution time frame, which is the hourly, and let's just have a look at the charts. On the hourly, let's just get this right. On the hourly, we were expecting prices to go up to 126.22. Instead, we have sold off a bit, and as we can see with a lot of dollar pairs, there does seem to be some dollar selling based on the NFP report. So if we do break down even further from here, 25.41, I'll be looking for 125 to be a level of interest, and beneath that we've got 24.81. we've got 24.81 as the next possible level of support, and even though those levels are still pretty close, so 124.26 could potentially come into play. Now to the upside, if we do if we go into consolidative range here, we do have a bullish candle that could say close about there, 125.60 from here. Not a series of candles, but like say one candle closing say 30 pips, a 30 pip candle. Might be asking a bit too much there. So 20 30 pips, somewhere in that range. I'll be confident in taking this for a test of the 126.2 level. Above that, we don't expect it to go beyond there, but above that we've got 127.78. So I have not actually put in my most important pivot this week. Surprise, surprise. Let's just see where that would be. And that'll be at 25.30, is it? Yes, 25.30. So if I go down to the 60-minute chart, and I just put this on the chart. 25. Let's just get this on the charts. 25.30, so it's pretty much already there. 25.30. So again, if we are above 25.30, if we do hold that level at a test of 126.22, and if we do break and hold above that level, 127.78. Now if we do break down, I've already mentioned levels and the top price targets I expect to see on the US dollar against the Canadian dollar. So before I go, LCS, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.